Right, people, welcome to the secrets of mastering advanced data analytics and reporting. Today is day 2, and we'll be learning from scratch till end how we can actually work on the project. Okay. So yesterday we saw some simple examples of Excel, right? Some examples of how we can consolidate, how we can actually get the data from various different folders and append the data. And also we learned about how we can use VStat, VLOOKUP, many new things. Today, I will walk you through how you can actually work on a dashboard right from scratch till end. Okay. So what I've done, I've given here some steps. We'll go step by step so that the people can easily work on a complete dashboard. Okay. So the data, what I'm using here is the superstore data, which is very common. You would have seen. Okay. So step one, I'll teach you about how we can design. Okay, so if you're not able to design, I already created some designs here, which you can use it for your project. And next is you'll be learning about how actually you can import this to my Power BI dashboard. And then step 3, get data, where we'll be taking the data into the Power BI. The next step, I'll tell you about how actually you can add all the visualizations and also the cards, the summaries, all these things. Okay. And step 5, we'll see how we can deploy the project in the end. Okay. And also, I have created one project in this Excel, workbook. If anybody needs in the end, please let me know. I will give you this particular project as well. Say this entire completed project with all the formulas and everything is there. So this project, I'll give it to you. You can use it. Okay. Right. So we'll talk about this in the end. So what we'll do is first, we'll go to the first step of how we can design the background image for the project. So this can be applied for your Excel as well, Tableau as well. So I'm taking Power BI today because we already have learned about the Excel. Now let me first show you the background image, which we'll be using. Say, let me just open this. So this is the image what we have already created. Okay, but I'll show you how to create this. Okay, see, these are the background images which we have created. Now, if you ask me how to create this, I have used the PPT to create this. But again, I'll be showing you how to use this in Canva as well, because we can create this in Canva as well as in PPT. Both are easy. But in Canva, you have more options, more easily you can do. Let me show you how you can actually work on Canva. Better than this, there are more other already predefined templates in Canva. Okay, whichever you want, you can use. Let me just open the Canva. If you feel that the Canva itself is easy to work, or say it is more attractive to work, we can work on Canva template itself. Okay, I'm just opening Canva. All of you please listen. Then after that, we'll try to see which template is good and we can use it. Okay. Let me just go here. See, first I open Canva. I'm not doing anything. Just go to the search box and I'll say dashboard. That's all. I'm just typing dashboard. We just scroll down and see there are so many dashboards. Okay, there are so many dashboards already like predefined. Okay, so just scroll down. You can see there are so many dashboards here. We can use any of these templates. I'll tell you how to use. You don't have to bother about say designing, sitting and designing it. Okay, let me just see if we can find some very nice designs. Trying to find, say, this is also looking good. Let me just click on this. Okay, this is little good. Let's see, we have more reports. We'll take this. I think this should be good. This is looking good, right? Just checking if something is better than that. You people also can suggest me if you have anything good you're looking. I think this should be good. Okay. So what we'll do, I'll just click on this. You just see, I'll say custom this template. See, one is what I have here in the folder, this is designed in PPT. Okay. In PPT, we will not have this template. So we have to design this from scratch. But you can also use the template which is there in the Canva, which is more, say elegant and more attractive, creative as well. So you can use either this one or you can use this one. Okay. So people, a question for you people. So which one shall we use? The Canva one, what you see here, this one, or the one what you see in the PPT, this one? Because let me tell you one thing. This project is already done. I have the video. I can share the video. This we can create from scratch here. If you want me to create, the template using this, I'll use this. Or if you think you want to create the one which is there in the PPT, I'm okay with this. Whatever you people tell, I will do, because I'm not here with the complete fixed training. So whatever you guys tell on the spot, I'll just take that decision and then we can do it. Okay. Right. Okay. So Canva. Okay. There is one. I'm not able to access Canva, sir. What you invited me. Siddharaju, I don't know why you are not getting this. You send me the email ID here on the chat box. Let's directly see what happened, here only. I'll just try to give you the access from here only. Okay. And Vijay is saying that for me as well. The link is there. The link what I've shared, this is with the Telegram where I have shared the files. Okay. People, I don't know why you're getting confused. Just see here. This is day 2 files which I've shared in Telegram. So this link I have given. This is not the Canva link. Don't get confused. Okay. Vijay. So let me just see if I can put this here in the chat box. I'm not sure. No, it won't take people. It won't take. People, I'm sorry. It will not take the. Okay. All right. So Canva, all are actually telling Canva. No problem. People, don't worry. This template, whatever I've used in this PPT, for that, I already have the video, because last time when I did that, so I have recorded that video. See here. So if you see here, I have the video. I will send you this video complete from, see. Okay. This video is there, complete from scratch. So I will send you this. Okay. So you people can watch this video. I'll send you the link. All right. So people, so all of you are okay. That will go with the Canva design here. What we have. This one. Right. So, okay. Right. So as people are saying that, we'll go with the Canva design. So what we'll do, we'll go with the Canva design only. No problem. But we'll take the same data set and we'll see how we can actually use it in our. Right. So what I'll do, first we'll go to people. Right, people. So let me minimize this. I'll go to the Canva and we have chosen this template. And as I showed you, there are hundreds and thousands of templates. People, this template I've chosen, but let me go here to this template and let me show you. There are hundreds of templates here, which you can use. See, there are so many templates here. You can use a show more. You'll get n number of templates. You can use it. Okay. And this is available only for the people who have pro versions. That is, people who have the the not the free version, the pro version, professional version, only they can actually access all these templates. Otherwise, it will show some the professional this thing, that is some crown kind of thing, which you can see something like this. You can see that crown here. So this kind of thing, that icon will be there. You cannot modify it. Okay. So it is better take the pro version, which I'll be giving you for free. If someone is not able to access, Just give me a ID here only. After a few minutes, I'll just try and see why it is not coming for it. Okay. All right. So first, what we'll do, we'll go to this template which we have chosen, and we have to modify this because this charts, whatever is there, we don't require this. We have to create our own, right? So what I'll do, I'll remove all this, say, right from the icons. So I'll go here. Let me remove all this. I'm removing even the icons, everything I'll remove. I'll just make a template here so that we'll get only the template and we can have our dynamic values. So quickly, I'm just removing all the charts, images, whatever is there. I'll just remove all this. Right. Let me remove this as well. I'm just making one template here. So this also will remove. Right. Remove this. So I removed everything here so that I will have my own data here, depending on my data, whatever is there, that I will be using it here. Okay. Right. So what I'll do first, I will try to download this. In PPT, we have to design that I've already designed here. But here, the template is already there. Only thing is we have to remove all the charts or icons or whatever is there. I just remove. Then I'll go to the share and say download. It lasts for download. And here it says PNG. Just say down. Okay. When I say download, the image will get downloaded. You can see that I have this image like this. This is my background template. I'll close this. Now what I'll do, I'll go here in the download section. So it will be downloaded here in my download folder. Let me go here. I'll just cut this and put it in my folder here. So usually I have the habit of going here and using it's a background image. Just paste it. So keep one thing in mind, people, all of you. Whenever you're working on a project, make sure that you maintain the folder structure. So what people will do, they'll just like that, they'll go on, keep on working. They don't know where the file is saved, where the data is saved. This will actually give a big problem while searching the data. Okay. Right. So now you can see that I actually have created one template. This is one image PNG. You can either save it as PNG or JPEG. So what's the difference? Both are actually images. PNG is portable network graphics. Portable network graphics means usually this is used when we actually have the logos or something where we want the transparent background. Okay. Since I'm also from the graphics background, I can give you some inputs on that. JPEG means it is something completely on an image compressed wise. Okay. So now what I'll do, I want this image, what I've created, the background image, I have to put that in the Power BI. So what I'll do, I'll go here, start button, assuming that you already have the Power BI. So I'll go here, I'll just click on this. Okay. Now the template is fixed. If you think you want to change it, you can go to Canva and you can change the design however you want. Okay. So what template is there? I'm just taking the same thing, just removing all the charts and all. If you think you want to modify it, I'll show you that also how to modify it. But people, keep in mind, it is you who have to design. For that, Canva is the best option because there are so many hundreds and thousands of designs available. Okay. This is one simple image what I've taken. Otherwise, I'll show you so many advanced way of using images and things like that. Now I'm opening my Power BI, and instead of designing always with the normal dashboards, I'll tell you how you can create a modernized, improvised, creative and innovative dashboards. Okay, in a very simple way. So after seeing this, you might feel how easy it is to create a wonderful dashboards. Now, this is the plain Power BI. So most of the people I've seen, what they do is they'll go to this visualization and they'll take one visualization. Say, for example, they'll take something like this. Okay. And they'll start adding all the data. and they'll try to format, go into this format. Okay, here they'll have all the colors and things like that they'll give. Don't do that. I'll show you something very interesting. What you do is, first we'll go to this canvas, right click and say format canvas, or you can directly go to this format. You can see I have this page information, canvas settings, canvas background. Click on this background. Here you can see browse. I'll click on this browse. When I click on the browse, it lasts for the image. So I'll go here. Let me just see. I'll take the path. Let me take the path. And then I will paste it. Say open. Okay. See here all the images are there. I will select this image because we have decided to work on this, image. Say open. Now you see the image has been imported, but it is not visible. Don't worry. The reason why it is not visible is here you can see it says transparency 100%. Let me just make it 0. See, just bring. See, we got the design. Then what I can do is here I'll say fit. This will fit exactly. Otherwise, you also go and check the fill. No, the header is going here. So what I'll do, I will take this now. So we'll take it fit. Now this will fit. See that the template has been imported to my Power BI dashboard. Okay, done. So this is what we have done in the step 1 here. But in this, we designed manually, that is in PPT. For that, I also had created some icons. You can see that I had created some icons here. This also I have used PowerPoint to create it. Now, let's see how we can create our own icons like this. First of all, what are icons? Icons are nothing but they are the small images which will represent something here. Okay. Now, creating icons are very easy. How to do that? First, I'll show you in PPT, and then we can see that how we can do that in Canva. Okay. Let me go to PPT. I'll say Control N. Okay. You see what icon you have to create. Let me just go here. I'll say insert, and we have this icons. Okay, in PPT we have icons. Click on this icons and you'll get n number of icons here. But the thing is here they are limited. Now say I want something on analytics. I'll just type analytics and let me check analytics. You can see that there are so many icons here. Take any one of them. Let's say I'll take this and say insert. You can see that this got insert. Okay. Now you have to go and check what color I have to give. Let me go here and let's take some color like this. Okay. You can see that the color got changed. If you feel that I want to make it white, you can change this to white. Let's go here and I'll say white. If I change this to white, I cannot see anything. Why? Because the background is also white. If at all you're doing something, don't worry. Just go to insert, shape, take one shape like this, keep it here just for time being. Then I'll say send it back. See, I can see this. Because the background is white and even the icon is white, it looks like that. But what I'll do is I'll try to give some slight grayish color because for the template it looks good. Now select only this, right click and say save as picture. Click on this. It lasts for the path. So what I'll do, I'll go here, I'll take the same icon path. Right here, it asks for SVG. Try to save it as PNG. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll say icons 01. I'll just mention it as icon 01. Say end. Done. The icon is saved. I'll go here to my Power BI and I want to insert that particular icon. How to insert? Let's go to insert. Here I have the image and you can see I'll go to that icons folder. Just now we created one icon, this one, select and say open. See, now I'll get that icon here. See, now what should I do? I can resize. See, I'll resize it, keep it anywhere I want. Like this. See, that's all. Any image want, you can use it like this. People, I don't know whether you already know this or not, but I'll tell you these things. If you already know, it's really good. If you don't know, please try to utilize something like this. This will make your dashboard look more innovative, creative, and also elegant, more presentable. People will like it very much. Okay, right. This is one way of creating the icon and using it in my dashboard. Let's go to Canva. What is the advantage of Canva? I'll tell you. Let me click on this element. Now I want to create icons. Let's go here, just type icons. You will get hundreds of icons. See here, more, creative, and also, you can have more colorful, or say more number of icons. Analytics, icons. Let's see if I can get something. See, anything. Say I want something like this. Okay, click on this. See, reduce, right click and see. If you're not able to save this, I'll tell you what to do. So whenever you think that you're saving something like this, there should be some shape actually. So what I'll do, I'll go here. I'll take one small shape. And then let me keep it somewhere here. But I'll make it color. I'll tell you why. See, now I can select. Okay, right click. Can I see this download selection? Otherwise, it will not download. This one just one trick. That's all. See, if I go here, select only this and say, here I won't get this. So what I did, I just took one small shape. Now I'll say right click, download selection. When I say download, please use transparent background so that I'll not get any background. Okay, transparent background. I'll say download. In PPT, it is slightly different, but here it is slightly different. Now the image has been downloaded. Now what I'll do, I'll go to this download and I'll cut this, because download directly will not go to your own folder. So we have to take it from download. Now we'll go here and say image. Just observe. I'll take this image. See, I can reduce this and I can keep it here like this. See. See how nice it looks now. Okay, so this way you can actually try to take the layout, the images, the icons, anything. Okay, so within few seconds, or say within few minutes, we could create the icons. Right? Okay. Now, people, how did you feel about this? Please message me so that I'll understand whether this topic was good, bad, ugly, whatever you feel. Just 1 minute I'll give you. Tell me, how did you feel about the designing part? The next we'll go and work on the analysis part quickly. I want a quick answer. Don't you feel now it is easy for getting the advanced designs and all? Don't you feel that? Okay, so it was good. Earlier, I was preparing the design in Power BI. So Power BI, it is very complex, Mohan. It'll, you don't have that flexibility in Power BI actually. Yes, very good. Okay, so if you don't have the complete Canva Pro, you can also use PowerPoint. Okay, so it is more easier. That PowerPoint, how I designed this, don't worry. This one, I have the video. I'll send you that video so that you can have both the projects today, what I'm doing, as well as the one what we already done. Okay, right. So I feel that you people are very much, interested, and also you people felt it very easy. So I'll continue with next step. Okay, first step. See, I cannot say that always you have to go with the design and then the data. First you can understand the data and then do the design as well, because sometimes what happens, there are some reports which we might have to create. Say there will be more reports, So here I'm just trying to create the reports according to the design what we have here. But sometimes there are some analysis what you have to do, and then you have to create the designs. Okay, fine. So people, the next one is I have to go here and do the analysis and get the reports done. Now, all of you just listen carefully. Here, we have taken this background image and then we took this. So this step is also done. Now let's go to this step where we are trying to analyze the data and see what all reports we can actually create. Okay. Now, let me open this file. Just listen all of you carefully. When you open this file, I have some data. Okay. Now the beginners, there are some people who are not from data analytics at all. There are some people who doesn't know anything. Okay. People, just message me in the chat box that how many of you are not from the data analytics, who are very much new, they don't know anything. How many of you are there? Message me. Don't feel shy. Don't hesitate. Just tell me. I'll tell you why I told that, why I asked that question. I want all of you, please mention if you're not a data analyst or never worked on this kind of projects data, just message me. I'll tell you why, not from data analytics. Okay, no problem. Quick answer. I'll tell you why I asked that question. I don't have any idea about data analytics, sir. Okay, no problem. This session is for people who doesn't know anything. Okay, people who knows they'll improvise more on data analytics, but people who doesn't know anything, you'll get an idea how easy it is to become a data analyst. Others, quickly we should answer people, not from data analyst background. Okay, right. No worries. I'll tell you now it is so easy to analyze the data and plan the reports. And even if you have any formulas or anything to create, the dynamic way of creating dashboards, how to do that, let me tell you. People, I have taken this data. I have some columns. Now it is very difficult for, let's say, even I don't know anything about analysis. Even I'm not from a data analytics background. What I'll do, I'll go here, I'll select and see. See, I have all the columns here. I'll just go and read it. But still, I'm not able to understand anything. Don't worry. Close the file. Okay. What I'll do is I'll go here and I'll open ChatGPT. Okay. I'll tell you what are the pros and cons of this ChatGPT. But as of now, let's go to ChatGPT. And we all doesn't know anything about data analysis. We're just trying to understand what to do. What I'll do is I will just drag this file and drop it here. Okay. Now, let me tell you, I have the data. I've dragged and dropped in ChatGPT. I don't know what to do. I want some analysis to be done. So here, I'll just try to give some prompt. What is prompt? Prompt is nothing but I'm just giving some message to AI tools. The prompt is nothing but it's just a message which I'm giving to AI tools, which will help me in giving the results in a more intelligent way. Okay, see here, I don't know anything about data. I've not studied the data. I tried to study it, but I'm not able to understand. So what I'll do, I will give the data to the chat GPT or any other AI tool. Now I'll just message, please be my data analyst. Just give this so that we're telling the chat GPT that yes, you be a data analyst. I have attached a Excel file with the data. Please analyze the data. No matter whatever data it is, you just give it to the chat GPT. Please analyze the data and give me step by step. This is very important. Step by step idea of, we'll give point by point now. Say one, analyze the data. Second, give any calculations to be done with the proper formulas. Okay. Third, step by step idea of creating dashboard in okay dashboard. So we'll set as a file, please analyze the data step by step idea of we'll mention here. I need the support for Power BI so that every time you don't have to go and keep on mentioning Power BI. I just gave what in the beginning only that it is for Power BI. Okay. Fourth, step by step idea of creating dashboard. Mention all the charts, cards, tables, filters to be created. Okay. Fifth one, mention if any buttons. Okay. Mention the title of the project. This will give the title of the project also. Okay. Please explain in detail of the entire end-to-end project. Okay. I just gave some brief prompt here. You can still elaborate it. But people, let me tell you one thing. In the companies, they'll not allow you to do like this because this data is very confidential. Okay, they'll not allow. Now you might ask, then why are you teaching this? If it's not allowed in the industry, then why are you actually teaching this? See, when I'm actually using like this, if at all you're working on a project and still I want to use an AI tool, okay, what I have to do is take the columns, okay, take the columns. I'm just telling you for the industry. Here, while working on the project, you don't have to bother. Take the data, take all these columns, and make sure that this data is not original data. It is not the actual data. Give some dummy data. Let the column be same, but let all the data be whatever some dummy data, so that even if something happens, we are not bothered. Right now, this they might not help allow in the companies, but there are some AI tools which the companies might actually use, so you can plan accordingly. You check with your company, but otherwise for your practice. And there are some companies who actually use all this. No worries, but only thing is they'll not give the data, right? But anyways, that is something secondary. Now we have to finish the project, so I just selected here. I will say next. We just observe all the details, whatever I've given. We just see here, analyzing the data. It is trying to inspect all the data here. It will do some analysis. It will give me all the results here. Let's see. See, the Excel file contains single sheet. So since I given step by step, what it will do is it give me all the analysis step by step. Let's go. You see, it's checking all the data. It is doing all this process, understanding the data. Say it has got this many records, 21 columns, order details, customer information. So it will give me step by step everything it will give. Okay. So you can go here, you can check this top 5 selling products, Power BI dashboard creation. So it is saying how to prepare the dashboard, say KPI dashboard, say total sales, profit, orders, customers. We'll take this. The next step, bar chart, top 10 selling products. Identify best selling products. Stacked column chart. It is even giving the chart also. Okay. Table, order details with filters. Pie chart, sales distribution by step by step. Say load data. This will do. Next, transform data for say format columns. Change postal code to text, handle null values. Add calculated columns. Order processing time. Create measures. Okay. So it is asking me to create all these visualizations. See, finalization of insights. Say once the dashboard is ready, which category is generating the highest revenue? All these are some insights what you're actually giving. See, it is giving me everything it is giving one by one. If you still want to elaborate it, you can go and keep on asking the questions. It will give you the entire thing. Say this guide provides you end-to-end approach to create a Power BI sales and profit dashboard. Let me know if you need any modifications. Okay. Let's see if there's given some title. If it's not, then again we can ask. See, project title, sales and profit analysis dashboard. So everything, you don't have to bother about everything. Say everything it will give. Even the chart type, everything. So if you ask what actually have to, so everything it will give, even the chart, how to create the chart, everything it will give. So this part, why I showed you is you can use AI tools for so many innovative things. Now you don't have to bother waste your time. Okay. Now let me go back to the Power BI. Okay. Let me delete this as of now. We'll see later. We'll see later which icons we need that we can do. Fine. So now what I'll do is I'll go here. I want the data for creating the reports. Let me go and see how I can actually get the data. So if you want to get the data, first I have to decide in which application, which data source the data is available. For me, the data is available in Excel. Let me go here, get data. I'll click on Excel. Suppose if the data is in SQL Server, select SQL Server. MySQL, Oracle. Let it be in any data source. Depending on that data source, you have to connect with that and then start taking the data. Now let me go here. I'll say I have this orders. Okay. I select it and say open. You can see that the data will get exported. Sorry, imported. Now here I have only one single table. Just for the training purpose, I just want only one table. If you have multiple tables, you can still connect with each other by using this data modeling. I will select this orders. Let me check if any modifications are required. No, I'll say no. Okay. Now the data is getting loaded. Fine. So the data is loaded now. Once it is loaded, so what we'll do, we'll try to create some charts, simple charts. Let it get loaded. Done. Okay. You can see that the data is loaded. What do we do with this? We can go to this table view or say data view. And here I have all the data. You can go and you can analyze the data. But already we have done the analysis. The chat GPT has given everything to me. Now we'll start creating the reports. See how simple it is. Very easily we can do. All these things are very, very simple now. Now I'll go here. First thing I told you, first take the data, do the analysis, and then plan the layout. That is one way. Otherwise, I already have the layout here and I'll see what all charts I can place. First thing what I'll do, I'll go here and I will take the cards for this. Cards are nothing but the summarized values. Let me click on this card here. I'll get one visualization like this. Just try to minimize. Let's minimize all this. Okay. This is the card. Now, if you go and check here in this chat GPT, so it has mentioned that there is that. Okay, see KPIs, that is total sales, profit, orders, and customers. How to take? Let me go here. Either I can create a formula and do, or since it's a summarized value, I'll go to this orders. I'll just click on this total sales. Say sales. This will give me the total sales here. See. Now I'll keep it here, but I'm not happy with this. The formatting is not good. See, the template is so good. And if I go here and keep something like this, do you think it is looking good? No. So what I'll do, I'll try to format this, double click. Just double click on this background, I'll remove. And I'll go to the text color. Select text color, I'll say Arial. And let me make it as 24 and see. Okay. The category label, I'll just remove. This one, I'll just give the color something like a gray color. Little more dark gray color. Let me check. then this should look good. Okay. Let me minimize this like this, and I will keep it here. Make sure that it is center aligned. See, we'll give the label later, the total sales or something. Now I want the profit. You just see Control C, Control V. Just keep it here like this, and we'll go here. Instead of sum of sales, I will just select profit. See, I got the profit. See how simple it is. Now, next one is the orders. Let me copy, paste. Let me select, put it here, and then the orders. So what I'll do, I will take the order ID. When I select order ID, you can see I'm getting something here. This is nothing but the text because order ID is in a text. So what I'll do is in the fields, click here, and instead of first, I'll say count distinct. This will give me the distinct count. What is distinct count? Distinct count means unique count. Let me copy this, paste it. Let me select here and I'll give it. Now I want the total customers. How many customers are there? Same thing, I'll go here and I will say customer ID. Okay. Again, I'll get something similar to this text, and here I'll change this to count district. See, 793. So you can see within few minutes for me, the KPIs, whatever was there, the summarized values I've taken. Now I want a label for this. This is total sales, total profit, and this is distinct count, this is total orders, and this is total customers. So what we have to do, let's go here. I'll take a text box. There is a text box. Click on this. Now I will just mention total sales. Okay, total sales. And now I want to format this. First thing I always do is make sure that the background is removed. Total sales. Okay, let's go to the size and style, remove the background. Okay, now let me select the text, and here let me just make it gray color, and then Arial, slight bigger, bold, center. Okay, now let me take this and I'll keep it here. See, have the total sales now. Copy this. One, if you create, rest all is just copy paste. Control C, Control V. Right. Selected. Okay. Control C. Okay. Now it got something. Now I'll keep it here. Total profit. Right. Next. Total orders. And total customers. See, my card is ready. How quickly we can actually do this. It's so easy actually. Now, next is we have this title. Okay, so here, let's say there was a title. So what I'll do, I'll go here. I'll take this title, sales and profit dashboard. Let me copy this. And then I'll go back to Power BI. Let me take a text box and then I'll paste it. This is not looking like a heading. So what I'll do, I'll just select and I'll change this to Arial black and also make it as 20 and see. This should be good. If you think I want to change to some more bigger size, let's go here. Okay. Now let me remove the background and select the heading. And if you want to change the color, you can go here. You can change the color. See? So simple. Yes. Now the text is ready. The summarized values are ready. The KPIs are ready. Now, people, I'll give you 1 minute. Tell me, how did you feel about this? Right from, I told you people, if you're not a data analyst, what should we do? We did that. We analyzed the data. Then we imported the data and then we created the summarized values. Tell me, how did you feel about it in one sentence? Quickly. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay. All right. So people, simple way to analyze and create. Yes. So all of you. So Mohan, Swapna, Divya, Chinmay, and rest all who have answered. It is very easy to create the dashboards. Okay. Now let me show you still something more interesting. Okay. Now stop messaging. Just see here. Now we actually add some KPIs here where we try to get some summarized reports. Now I have some layouts here where I need to create some dashboards, say some reports. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll go here. I'll try to create some reports here with the sales data. Let's say I'll go and I'll take this. You have this clustered column chart. Let me click on this. And then I'll just put that chart here like this. Okay. I want to create a region report. Let me go here. I'll click on this region. And then I'll select the sales. Okay. See, I got a chart here, but this is not looking good for me. It is something like, you can see that there are so many good things, but this chart, the white color is not looking good. Let me double click on this. Just double click on this. It'll take you to the formatting, remove the background. See? Okay. But I want this, or this bars, the color, this also should be changed. Let me scroll down here. We have the columns. So what I'll do, I'll just see if I can actually change the color to something like this. See? Next, suppose you think that the labels are not visible. Let me select this and here I will select the gray color. Okay, see, this is how actually we can view the chart. I have the title here. I don't want the title. Let me just remove this title so that we can get some more space here. Okay, see now how neat it looks, right? I removed the background. I just changed the colors, everything. Right. So let me copy this. Now I am already formatted. Copy, paste. Now let me keep that here and then I will remove region and I'll take category. See, I'm getting the category. Let's go here. I will copy, paste, and here I'll try to take one line chart. Okay, and let me take the quarter report here, quarterly report. We'll just go here and say quarter. Okay. I'll remove the category. This is my quarter report, but I want this based on region, right? So let me remove all this. Just resizing it. Let me go to columns and see if I can change the colors. Legend. I don't want legend. Okay. Let's say lines. And here we have the colors. Say central. Okay, let it be. So you just see if you want to change the colors, you can change the colors here because I don't want to waste time in all these formattings. See, right. Next, suppose I want to show one map here. So what I'll do, I'll go here, I'll take one map and then I will say state and sales. Let me take this and I'll keep it here. And I'll say double click. Let's go here. I'll say background off. And then we can see here if you have, let's say, a title off. We can still format a lot many things we can do. Okay. I'm not wasting much time in formatting only, but I'm just telling you map settings. Say here I can change this to dark. Let's see. So light. So anything which suits our template, we'll just keep it as. Let's click on dark. Okay. I'll keep it as dark only. I think this should be good. Okay. Let's keep this only. Okay. See here, we have the chart. Now we have still two more boxes. So what I'll do is I'll take some pie charts. That looks good. I'll take a pie chart. Let me copy this, paste it, and I'll put it here. And let me convert this into pie chart. But what I'll do is I'll try to take segment. Instead of region, I'll say segment. And I'll remove the legend because we'll get some more space here. More legend, title. Select the labels and then we'll change the color. Okay, now copy this, paste it, and here we'll take ship mode. Okay, ship mode. See, within few minutes, we finished our dashboard. Right. Next is I want to add some filters. Let's say I'll go here. I'll add the filters here. I'll add the filters here to filter the year 2021-22 because the quarter what you see here, this is for 21, 22, 23, 24, something like that. So how to do that? Say have one slicer here. Let me click on this slicer and let me keep it here. Okay, we'll format it. Now what I'll do, I'll go here to this date hierarchy. I'll say year. When I take this year, this will give me like a slider like this. But I'm not happy with the slider. I want this something like this. Say slicer heading. I'll say drop down. This will give me something like a drop down, double click. I'll try to hide, say background, I'll hide. Then let me select and say I'll hide the title, slicer headers, so that we need some more space here. Just trying to adjust. Let's see if we can adjust. In Power BI, it's very difficult to format. That is the one drawback actually. Okay. Let me reduce this. Not required such big. Okay. Now, if you just click on this, see 15, 16, 17. Let's say I'll go here, select this. Okay. So let's see if we can change the colors, say values. And here, let me just change this colors. See, we have one slicer. Suppose if you think you want to add more slicers, you can go, you can keep adding. Okay, right. Now you have done all our, okay. Now I need some icons. Icons, I'll not go and design and show you again. So what we'll do, we'll go here. Already there are some icons here. Okay, I'll just show you how we can use this. Now let's say I want the small icons here. Can you see that? Some 4 small icons are there. This is for sales. Okay, let's go here. I will say insert image, go to icons, total sales. Okay, let me reduce this. And then I'll keep it here. Anywhere you feel comfortable. See. Okay, next image. You can take only one image at a time. Total profit. Reduce this. And we'll keep it here. Okay, let me increase this. Okay, next, let's say image. So designing, you should have a lot of patience. Okay, now we'll say total orders, image, total orders. Or already taken. Okay, let me delete this. I'll reduce this and let's keep it here like this. Okay, total customer, image, total customers. Like this. Okay, see, we got the icons. So it is very simple. You just have to go. Suppose if you think I have some buttons here, I want to insert icons. I'll just show you one. Rest all you just see how we can actually do. Let's say I'll go here, I'll take this button. Just like I'll just take and reduce this. So if you think you want to make some, buttons here, so you can just keep it something like this. You can have more buttons like this and you can view the link. Okay. So likewise, I can actually create the dashboard. Suppose you think that I want to have a logo. Now, if you want to add logo, I can go to image and I'll see if I have the logo. If not, we'll just ignore it. I don't think I have got the logo. No, it's not there. It's okay. I can get it. Give me 1 minute. I'll just see if we can actually get. Power BI. Okay. I just get one logo. Okay. Here in one folder I have. Let me select this. Okay. See, this is the logo. I'll keep this here. Okay. See, I have a logo. Usually we keep the logo here. I don't have the space. Usually we keep the logo here. I don't have the space. I'm just keeping it here. So make sure that you will keep always in the right hand side. It's a good practice. Okay. So likewise, we can actually create the dashboard in a very simple way by analyzing it. Just go to ChatGPT, give the entire thing. You'll get this. Okay. Now you can save this, say file and say save as. I'll just save it in my folder. Let me go to this folder. And I'll save it here. Okay. Say dashboard. Feb 2025. Okay. I saved it. Right. So likewise, we can actually do this. We can do like this, so many hundreds. They have so many data sets. You can also create the data sets from ChatGPT itself, whatever data set you want. Likewise, there are many various different things what you can actually do. Okay. Right. People, tell me frankly, it took very less time for us to do. Okay. I'll be giving you this Excel file. Okay. Which is already done. I'll give you this one dashboard is also there. Here you can see that there is one dashboard which is completed. The previous example that also I'll give you along with the video also I'll give you along with today's video also all this video I'll give you in the Telegram channel itself. But tell me people, frankly, take 2 minutes, message me. How did you feel about this entire session? I know it was very less time, but still tell me, don't you feel it was productive? Just mention how did you feel? I'll give you 2 minutes. Pratibha, you are teaching in such a way that we can easily learn. It is easy actually, Pratibha. To be very frank, things are very easy. People make it very complex. Don't think like that. Still, there are many things to learn actually. Right, I'll give you 2 minutes. Then after that, I have few more things to discuss. But you will get all those files, videos, everything I'll give. And also, I want to share you the certificate link. You can fill the details. I'll get you the certificate as well. It was really helpful and interesting. Okay, thank you, Mohan. Right, easy to learn. Okay, that's all. See, I talk, I'm continuously talking, and people, I'm just telling, just take only 2 minutes. That's all. Teaching is excellent, and we should apply it in our daily life. Yes, you have to do it. How much ever I actually explain, it is you who have to go and apply. Okay, you learn from any big institutes. If you're not using it, if you're not applying it, then it's of no use. Yes, you can also create it. It's not at all a difficult task. Okay, don't worry. There are so many things which you can do. You take the Canva. I'll tell you. You go to Canva. You can design so many things actually. Okay, right. So people, I will give you the link for the certificate. Okay, take this, fill this. You'll get all the bonus files. You'll get the certificates. Shiv Kumar, 2 days sessions helped me to start generating data analytics and tools. It is helpful. Yes, you rightly said people made complex, hence was not exploring much. But now got confidence that I can restart. It is very easy, Shiv Kumar. It's really very easy. It's not at all a difficult thing. And nothing is rocket science. Everything is easy. Yeah, right. Okay, I've given this one link as promised. See, I'll not give certificate for every sessions. This session is something very advanced things. Okay, so for that kind of thing only, I'll be giving you the certificates. So you can fill this, you will get the certificate, and as promised, even the bonus files also I'll be getting you. Okay, but for that, you have to post your certificate in your LinkedIn so that I will also know that you people are very seriously learning something. And as promised, all the bonus files I'll be sharing it with you. Don't worry. Apart from that, I have so many other things also to share it in the Telegram group. So try and see if you can build our community as much as possible, because nowadays if you see, people are just giving some wrong information about AI, saying that the job will go, people will not be getting jobs and all. Nothing like that. Okay, you will get job. Only thing is make sure that you will have the right skills. Okay, right. So people, one more thing I want to tell you. So if anybody is actually interested in learning the entire data analytics, we have a program called as Career Accelerator in Advanced Data Analytics and Reporting. Okay. If anybody is interested, please call this number. Suma, she will guide you. I'll tell you what all things are there. Yesterday, I mentioned about skill development, projects, internship, certifications from Microsoft, and placement assistance. So all these things will be there. Let me just walk you through quickly. So if you're interested, please call this number. And then after that, if you are okay, then only you join. So what all things are there in the skills? So we'll be teaching you about advanced Excel, VBA macros, SQL Server, BI using Power BI and Tableau, Python programming, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, R language, dashboard designing, automation techniques, reporting techniques. And for all this, we'll be using this ChatGPT and also some AI tools. Okay. After that, we'll be getting the internship. Then we'll be working on the projects. And as mentioned, you'll be getting one certificate from Microsoft. If you think you want more certificates, then let me know. So I will arrange for that as well. And then placement assistance, all these things will be there. Okay. And also the job opportunities, we will try to refer you as much as possible. And there is no limit for the number of interviews. But for that, you also should make sure that you will learn, practice, and have that confidence. Okay. Otherwise, how much ever I refer, how much ever I try, you will not get the job. It is always from your side. You have to make sure that your interest and you have the confidence, and make sure that your resume is good, LinkedIn is optimized, okay, and you have the confidence of attending the interviews. Then only I can also arrange something for placements. That's why I'll not promise anyone about getting you a job. But yes, I do refer if you are really, planning for something. See, I have some openings. I can refer you if you are good in Power BI, Excel, and all. There are some openings I can refer, but they require some 3 to 7 years experience. But still, I'll try and see in some of the companies who are actually asking for the skills what is for data analytics. Okay. So in this course, you'll be learning about data visualization using Power BI, Tableau, and Excel, programming skills using macros and Python, database management, MS Access and SQL Server, automation, Python and macros, analytics, reporting, and dashboard techniques from advanced Excel. Okay. So this brochure also I'll send you. If anybody is interested, please call this number. I'll just post this number. Right. Yesterday's and today's video, yes, I will share that both will be shared. Okay. And could you please share me yesterday's recording session? Yes, it will be shared. It will be shared in the Telegram group for sure. Okay. This is your certificate link. Please fill it and please follow me. Okay. Keep following me in my LinkedIn so that you will have a network. The professional network will actually be good for you people. Right. Now, let me check the Canva. Okay, for Siddharaju, I think it was not working. Siddharaju, you told it was not working. Just mention your ID. I will check it from here. Okay. And people who wants the IDs in the access, please send your email ID now only. I will give you the access live here only. Okay. I'm giving you the access here only so that the people can start using it. Okay. Who else? Shivu. Then Mohan. Okay. The next. Who else? Jitesh. Jitesh, I think I've sent. Okay. So I just check. Mohan, I've given. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Siddharaju. Okay. I'm just taking this. See, already sent here. I'm sending. So please check your emails. You would have got one link and just click on that. Okay. Let me check again. Siddharaju. See, Siddharaju, it's already sent. Okay. I think you already have this ID. Siddharaju, please check. Okay. Soumya, I think I've already sent. Please check your emails. People have already sent for some of them. So please go and check your email IDs. You would have got a link. Soumya, Venkatesh, whatever. Okay.
The Outlook, it's not working actually in Outlook.
Outlook, it's not working.
That's why I
I'll,
give you Gmail ID.
okay.
If you given, maybe you can remove Outlook, sir.
No, no problem. No problem. No problem. Just check this, Soumya. Chinmay. Okay. You already have got, don't send it again because it won't take. Manjunath. Manjunath, I think I've sent. Okay, anyways, then send again. Okay, please check your email IDs. Your email ID. I just send that type. Just check there. KUMAR QDAY 2691 at Gmail. Okay. Just check that. It's right. Just check if it is right. Divya, just check your email. So I just sent now. Okay, Divya Purushottam. I just copied and sent. Okay. I didn't do anything. See here. Is it right? Yeah. See, it's already sent. Divya, just check your email. Just check. Sometimes it will be in the spam.
Yes, sir.
It's there. Divya.
Yes, sir. Now I got the link.
Okay. So just click on that welcome. You'll get that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I got the link, sir. Now.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now I have checked.
Okay, Vijay, my office laptop blocks access to Telegram, so please share the link and relevant data. Okay, sure, Vijay. I'll do that. Okay. Let me save. Anyways, I'll do one thing. All the materials I'll send through email also, because for each person I can't keep, sending. Um, what we can do is, okay, so fill this application, okay? Fill this application so that I'll get your email IDs. For that email ID, I'll send you all the, details to you, okay? Right, so people, I assume that you people enjoyed the session, learned something, and also spent some productive time. Okay, assuming that, I feel very happy about this weekend. But do you think you spent some productive time these 2 days? Say 3 to 4 hours, all of you. You can speak actually. If you want, you can speak also, no problem. Feel free to speak. You have the mic open, you can speak.
Hello, sir. Sir.
Siddharth, your voice is breaking.
Sir, now is audible.
Yeah, it's audible.
Sir, can I get your institution address, sir? I really wanted to meet you, sir. Whenever
I
I've been to
actually sent, I
Bangalore,
think I sent you the location.
yeah.
You
Sir, where,
message me.
sir?
I'll send you the location.
Yeah, sure, sir. I really wanted to meet you, sir.
Sure, sure.
Whenever I've been to, sir. Sure,
Yeah.
sir.
This is my number. Okay.
Yeah.
Just message me. I think I've already sent you the address, the location. We
Yeah,
can.
yeah. I think I have saved this number.
Yeah, yeah. You just send hi. Again, I'll send you if you want the link.
Yeah.
Right, people. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay. And please do follow me in the LinkedIn. And I'll give you the YouTube channel, link as well. There are not many dashboards like this. You can go, you can check. Okay. I'll catch you guys in more sessions like this. See you guys. Have a great week ahead. Yeah, this is the address. Thank you, Shiv Kumar. Right. Thank you so much, people.
Thank you, sir.
And yeah,
Thank you.
thank you so much, all
Thank you,
of you.
sir.
And please don't forget to, follow us and okay, be in our Telegram channel. Okay. Yeah. So I have already sent the link. This PPT, if you want, I'll send you. So in our WhatsApp and Telegram group, we have, let's say, you can also follow us in my LinkedIn or as well as iTech Analytics Solutions so that you'll get a very good professional network. Okay, please try to build your professional network. This will actually give you more job opportunities. If you have good network, good contacts, then only you can get good opportunities. Okay, and happy Shivratri to all of you. God bless all of you. And I hope you people will get a good career
Same.
in future. Okay. So happy Shivratri once again, all of you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'll meet you guys in the next sessions. Okay. Bye, people.